Tired of boring showers that leave you feeling anything but refreshed? Here are the 5 best rain shower heads I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head. The Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head caught my eye with its sleek design and innovative features, priced at just $47.46. If you want a shower that feels like a spa experience, this is worth a serious look. This shower head offers a unique combination of a fixed overhead and a handheld shower head, giving you the flexibility to switch between them effortlessly. With a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, it provides a consistent, powerful stream of water. The 12-inch square shower head is designed to give you full body coverage, while the 10 different spray settings on the handheld head let you customize your experience with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're rinsing off after a workout or just enjoying a leisurely soak, you'll appreciate having options at your fingertips. Plus, it boasts 278 spray nozzles, which replicate the soothing sensation of rain, helping you unwind. Now, some people complained about the installation issue being a bit vague. Here's the thing though, if you're moderately handy, you should be able to figure it out without too much trouble. But if you're not into DIY projects, you might find it a bit frustrating. This shower head is perfect for you if you want a luxurious shower experience without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something that's super easy to install out of the box. For around $47, it definitely packs a punch. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next option might just be the hassle-free solution you're looking for. Product number 2. High Pressure Rain Shower Head Upgrade. Another high-pressure rain shower head, similar to the last one but priced at $49.95. If you want an upgraded experience with a focus on convenience, this is worth checking out. This model also features a dual shower head design, allowing you to switch between the overhead and handheld options. What's great here is that it's built with a magnetic docking system, which makes it easy to detach the handheld shower when you need to clean your tub or give your pet a wash. The flow rate matches the previous model at 2.5 gallons per minute, ensuring you won't sacrifice pressure for flexibility. With 10 spray settings, you can really dial in the type of shower you want, whether it's a gentle rain or a strong massage. Here's why this matters. After a long day, nothing beats a shower that caters to your mood. On the downside, some users mention that the handheld part can wobble a bit when docked. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker for most, especially if you're using it for its intended purpose. It still functions well overall. This is perfect for you if you appreciate convenience and versatility in your shower experience. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional fixed shower head. At $49.95, it's a solid investment for those who want a bit more flexibility in their shower routine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a budget-friendly alternative. Product number 3. AquaCare High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. The AquaCare High Pressure Handheld Shower Head is another fantastic choice, priced at just $31.99. If you're looking for something affordable that doesn't skimp on performance, this is worth considering. This shower head features 8 different modes, allowing you to customize your experience even further. The anti-clog nozzles mean you won't have to worry about mineral buildup ruining your shower, which is a big plus in areas with hard water. Additionally, the built-in power wash feature is a game changer for cleaning your tub and tiles without any extra tools. Here's why this matters. You can quickly rinse your bathtub after use, saving you time and effort. With a 6-foot stainless steel hose, it also provides plenty of reach, which is great if you're cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Now, I did see some complaints about the durability of the hose. Here's the thing though, while it may not be as heavy-duty as some higher-priced options, it's still more than adequate for everyday use and helps keep costs down. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable yet affordable solution for your shower. Skip this one if you're set on a luxurious overhead experience. For $31.99, it gives you great value without breaking the bank. Now, if the price point of the AquaCare wasn't enough to impress you, the next product on our list is one of the top-rated luxury options. Product number 4, High Pressure Rain Shower Head, another upgrade. Another high-pressure rain shower head also priced at $49.99. If you want something that combines luxury with powerful performance, this one is worth a look. This model boasts a unique design with a dual shower head setup, just like some of the others, but it stands out with its modern aesthetic and larger coverage area. With a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, it maintains pressure while giving that refreshing rain experience. The 10 spray modes allow you to choose exactly how you want your water, from gentle rainfall to a stronger massage setting. Here's why this matters. It can really transform your daily shower into a spa-like retreat, helping you to relax and unwind. However, there have been some reviews mentioning issues with the handheld attachment getting loose over time. Here's the thing. While that can be annoying, it's an easy fix with a little tightening, and most users still find it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional rain shower head that makes every shower feel special. Skip this one if you're clumsy with installations or aren't willing to perform minor maintenance. At $49.99, it's a reasonable investment for a high-end feel. Now, if you want something that's both stylish and affordable, the last product on our list may just be the one for you.
Product number 5, Spark Pod Shower Head. We have the Spark Pod Shower Head, priced at $36.99. If you're in the market for a stylish yet functional shower head, this is definitely worth considering. What sets the Spark Pod apart is its premium design and easy clean functionality. The 6-inch round head not only looks great, but it also features nozzles that are easy to clean, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your shower. With a high-pressure flow, it delivers a wonderful rain-like experience without compromising on water efficiency. Here's why this matters. The Easy Clean feature means you can spend more time enjoying your showers and less time worrying about maintenance. However, some users mention that the water flow can be lower than expected in certain areas. Here's the thing though, if you live in a location with decent water pressure, you'll likely find it performs just fine. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a blend of style and performance at a great price. Skip this one if you have extremely low water pressure at home. For $36.99, it's a fantastic option that combines luxury and practicality. So, let's wrap things up and compare all 5 options. To recap, we've covered the Bozibo, the upgraded high-pressure shower heads, the AquaCare handheld, another high-end option, and the stylish Spark Pod. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bozibo because it offers the best combination of features and affordability for a truly luxurious experience at home.